everyone, today I will share my experience about warm-up skill for you guys. I think that is helpful for you guys before singing. At first I will talk about warm-up. What is warm-up? Warm-up is an exercise like for you can have the smooth and healthy voice before singing. Firstly, I will introduce for you guys the lip trill exercise. This one is one of the best warm-up exercise before singing. This is to make the breath out of the mouth and have the vibrate of the lips, like something like that. And this one can make you guys have a smooth and healthy voice. Okay, so now I will do the example of a lip trill. I will have a partner will do example for me. Okay, so for the lip trill, you have to have a comfortable position. I have to stay like it. Okay, so
Stay like what?
the lip trill is really. Okay, for her she can do it, but for me I cannot do it. So for the person cannot do it same as me, I will put two fingers at the side, at two sides of our lip like this, and we do it. Okay, so to follow the melody of the music, we can do like this. Okay, just now I introduced for you guys the lip trill, which one can practice your muscle face. So now I will introduce for you guys how to practice your voice before singing. I will start with the words me and ma, like this. Me, ma, and we follow the higher note like this. Me, ma, me, ma. I hope that my video is useful for you guys to practice before singing. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.